Lift me up, hold me down, keep.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, welcome you all to this video. As you can see, I'm about to make my hair, so I decided to take you guys along. Okay, so guys, in this video I'll be doing two-step like shade, normal shade now. So that is what I will be doing. Ghana Bob Marley at the back, Ghana weaving at the front, and I will be using my bead as well for this video. So guys, if you are wondering what happened to my hair, I bought a relaxer and that is what happened. The relaxer burnt my hair, like the relaxer chopped all my hair. Then I decided to trim it down. So that's why my hair looks like this. I trim it down. I don't know if that video is up already where I cut my hair and all that. So I show you guys where I cut this hair, but the relaxer almost spoiled my hair because the relaxer I was using before, I could not find it anymore. So I decided to try another one from the supermarket, and this happened to my hair. My hair finished, like it burnt, like just 10 minutes. My hair was roasted like corn, like just like that. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Please guys, if you are watching my video, please don't skip my video. Watch the video. It's watchable, is enjoyable. Okay, watch the video. You can also learn something. You can also learn something when you are watching. Yes, how I pick it from the down, how I braid it and all that. You can learn. So I don't know why some people just watch videos. They will just look, okay, this is Bob Marley, the person doing that place. Okay, they will just keep it to the place that the person is doing another thing. From that place, they will take it to the place that the final bus stop, like the final bus stop of the video, like where the person finished the hair, the final bus stop, and then you start commenting. It's very wrong. It's very wrong. When you are watching video, just watch the video well. What you don't want people to do to you, don't try to do it to someone else. Okay, so guys, this is me just trying to show you how I made this hair. Like this hair is very easy. It did not took long time for me to make, and it was only the bead that made the hair was about taking a long time, you get. So guys, subscribe to this video, like and share this video. Okay, let me know what you think about this video. This hair, you can rock it for summer. Yap. You can rock this hair for summer. This is one of the kind of hair you can rock in summer. Yes, in cold period, people don't like to do all this kind of hair too much like that because the cold will be enter inside the hair and all that. So this is what the backs looks like. You guys know that my hair is not full, so I use one and a half, not half, one expression and quarter. The quarter is just like a little bit that I added to it. So I was just trying to share my hair like this and all that. And this is what I decided to share this hair because I did this hair when I was in Nigeria, but I did not put bead. I only coiled it down, but I've been doing coily hair and all that. So I decided to try something new, like doing bead. Like guys, I bought bead on Amazon. If you see the bead they brought for me, it looked like those bead they used to put in the clothes, like those bead they put in the clothes to design all those fine gown. They brought bead, one tiny bead. Even needle cannot pass inside this bead. I was waiting patiently for this bead just for me to make this hair. I could have made this hair long time ago. I was patiently waiting for this bead for the past 2 weeks. Then finally they brought the rubbish what I ordered versus what I got from Amazon. Like I was so angry when they just ring my bell. I went outside. He says sign for waiting because of you give me order. You say I should sign. Okay, I sign now. I look at this thing. My husband was saying, are you the one that bought something? I say I buy one bit for Amazon. Oh, they used 2 weeks to bring it for me. I shall open the bead and see what is inside. I was like, Is it the bead that I order? Because it literally I wanted to use pink and white bead like that. That's the kind of bead I wanted to use. But I know that I have a lot of bead at home that I normally buy in case maybe I have somebody that wants to make their hair. Maybe all those children that used to do their hair, they will say if I have bead. So normally I normally buy all those bead because of those children. Because normally I do children hair, but I don't post it on YouTube. Yeah, I don't like to post it on YouTube. Yes, because most of them, they are Muslim. Yes, those children, they are Muslim, and not that they are children like that, like 13 years, 17, 16 years. So they are Muslim, and I don't know if their mother is going to agree for me to put them. Sometimes you just have to respect some people privacy and all that. So that was how I went inside though. I know I bought a lot of bead. I said, okay. I started packing all the bead that I have. Guys, if you see me talking, just know I was talking inside this video. Yes, I was actually talking to the end of this video. Like I was listening to NSPPD. Yes, in the morning every 7 o'clock. Here in Italy every is 8 o'clock. So I was listening to NSPPD, what God cannot do does not exist. So that's what I listen to every day. So, and that is it. So guys, I did not show you the other side because it's the same thing that I will be doing in the other side. So this is me. I was just like this or like this. So I was just let me do it like this. Like I was just competiting, like if I should do it in the other side or this side and all that. So, and that is it. Imagine the bead they brought for me, and I bought two, they brought one for me. Can you just imagine? Oh, I bought two of that bead. They brought they brought bead for me, and it was so tiny. The bead the needle cannot even enter, talk less of attachment, like expression braid will enter inside, which is very, very, very bad. Like, I was so angry. So the next day, that's how I carry myself. I say, Peculiar, go and do your hair. Oh, they did not bring the bead that you wanted. Omo. That's how I started doing my hair. I say, okay, maybe all this bead will reach. If I showed that, if like maybe the bead was not enough for me, I could have put those shiny this thing they used to decorate the hair and all that. I would just use that one. So at the end of the day, the bead completes the hair. That's why you see me at the back of the hair. I did not cut it small because of the bead. I wanted the bead to enter. Like I want the bead to contain this hair and all that. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If I tried, like, this actually my first time making this kind of hair, but I did Ghana braid. That one is very, very, very big. And I did feathers. I don't know if you guys know feathers, that short braid feathers. So I did that one, but this type I've not done this one, like Ghana weaving like this, tiny, but this hair is not that tiny though. It's not that tiny. So that's how I started making the hair and all that. Yes, so guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Imagine making this hair yourself, and you are giving yourself the expression. Like, guys, do you know what I did? I just put the expression after cutting the hair. What I did, like for example, you are making your hair. Let me give you a tips. If you are making your hair, yes, if you are making your hair after cutting the hair, just try to share the expression on your lap, like on your body, like this. So when I was sharing the attachment, I just put it one side of my leg. I was sharing it one side of my leg, like about 7 to 8 or 10. So then I'll start making my hair. That is how I make this Ghana braid. Okay, so if you are wondering who if I have somebody giving me attachment, there is nobody. You guys know that I live alone. Like I literally stay alone with my husband, so I don't have anybody. Maybe if you do not see some part, you not say, hey, it's somebody that go and help her to do this at the that side. I don't have anybody, and I don't even have anybody related to me that can even make my hair like this, unless maybe I am in Nigeria. My mother can do it, or my sister can do it, or I can even go to a normal shop and go and make my hair, or I can go to my mother's shop in Nigeria to make my hair. But for here, I don't have anybody. Any hair you see here on this channel, I made it. Yes, I made it. Yes, according to one post I saw on Instagram, post it, post your content, post your content, post your content, guys. I'm sorry, I'm just ranting. Like, I just wanted to talk throughout this video. Yes, because I don't want this video to be so boring. So I decided to talk in the background. I don't know if you guys are enjoying my talk, okay? So guys, do you like the zigzag that I put? I love this hair so much. I love this hair. Even if you don't like this hair, me, I love this hair so much. Me watching this hair like this, after creating this content, watching my own video that I did by myself, guys, I could not show you where I started putting the bead, but this is just the last one, the last but not the least, putting this bead and all that. So, and that is it, guys. I was at this point, I was so tired. Like, I think I started this hair after 7, after, no, in this place is 8 o'clock, literally is 8 o'clock, but the time I started making this hair, I started this about 7. Yes, after about how many minutes yes, after 7, I started this hair after 7. That's when I started the hair, and I finished this hair about, I think, 11 o'clock. Yes, 11 o'clock. So that's when I finished the hair and all that. So I was burning this hair because that's how we normally do it those days. Not those days, even up till now, people still burn hair, right? So this is how I was burning the hair. Oh, imagine me not seeing my back. I was just trying to burn it one after the other so that I will not go and burn my ear or burn my beautiful face. I was just trying to do it small, step by step, step by step. Me, I just, you see the way I pack everything, I just want to burn everything once, and which is not possible, right? So, and that is it. I just wanted to show you guys how I burn this hair and all that. And guys, my hair is ready. Yeah, I am ready. Your girl is ready, and this is styling moss. Yes, some people do ask me in the comment section, what is this? This is a styling moss. You need it for your braid. Yes, for any kind of braid, you need it. You need styling moss. Even when you are making your frontal, you need it. Above, this is oil sheen. Yes, if you don't have this oil sheen, you need it. This is my rosemary oil. Yeah, this is my rosemary oil. Let me grow my hair again. Since relaxer, I've chopped it up. Guys, this is what my hair looks like, okay? This is what it looks like. What did you think? What did you think about this video? If you are watch up to this time, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. I really appreciate your data. I appreciate. Thank you all so much for watching this video up to this time. I love you all. At this time, I was telling Obi, please, let's go outside. Let's go outside to go and snap picture. So Obi, when I went outside with Obi snapped me pictures. I don't know. Follow me on my Instagram to see the pictures and all that. So guys, this is what I look like, and bye.